Okay, it's the morning. Kirsten's out there with her fresh t-shirt on. She's pretty cold outside. It's the unit. It's the daytime. We're just getting ready to go. Sorting through our bags. I had to iron my pants last night. They were very, very wrinkly after being in the head pillow, so I don't think I can use that technique with these pants. The camera's probably working better in the day. We're a long way up, obviously there. I think the stability's working alright on this wee camera. It's a bit cloudy, sun's up there. But yeah, we're going to head back to the casino and pick up the card. It's got to be the card. So we're going to stick it in there. Yeah, and we're out.
Oh, look at that.
Free parking, people. Bit of a weird way out here though. You got to go on this funny little ramp here, so if you're a bit worried about driving on small, a lot of dirt and everything here. Lights just automatically went on. The car's a bit dark and dingy, I must say, around the back of this casino. Pretty sketchy.
Hey,
I've got a car right behind me, so all right, we're going to go and get some. We're going to go get some lunch. There it is, Phillip Island.
It's a bit of a journey.
Bit of a journey, yeah, but you can see the weather's not ideal. But it is what it is.
Yeah, that's right.
Because we came today because Victoria markets are closed today. So we thought today was the best day to come out to Phillip Island.
Yeah.
And we've got a cheese factory to stop at, the chocolate factory to stop at.
Yeah.
Obviously the block we want to see the block houses. And we're going to probably look and see if we can get some fish and chips or something while we're out here. And then we'll head back. Yeah, Phillip Island. We're on the 420.
Yeah. 420.
So you know what that means if you're an American. But yeah, you take the 420 all the way out. And once we finish here, we head back. Kirsten's got a passport ready to sign up at the casino, so we'll get another night's free parking. Getting a little bit of rain now as well, so I've got my rain jacket on. Kirsten doesn't have a rain jacket anyway. Let's hope it doesn't rain that heavy. It's not meant to rain today. It was actually meant to be sunny today in Melbourne, but I guess this ain't Melbourne where we're going. We're a couple of hours out, so anyways. Seems like a nice little place through here. We're keeping an eye out for the cheese factory, which should be coming up soon. Oh, actually no, this is a bridge. This could be the bridge over. We might actually went past the cheese factory, so we might have to do that on the way back.
Yeah.
Last tour admission is 4 p.m. Alright, we just got these tickets. We got a chocolate pen, we got a standard entry, and we get games.
QR code for a
QR
game.
code games. We get 10 games. 10 credits. So we're walking through this little chocolate aisle thing.
New Zealand. Melbourne Australia. Look at that. Isn't that cool? She produces 75%.
Oh, sorry about that. Just about gave a lady a heart attack here. Number 7. Oh, okay, that would all get.
The beans and.
Yeah, and then that chips
So if you put one in.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's what we're doing.
Yeah. And it's gonna.
Oh,
Air dry.
Okay.
That's cool.
And then that spins around.
Makes the chocolate. Oh, look at that. It's all powdery and that's all gooey. Is it actually gooey?
Yeah, it is, but it's all gone to the top. Oh, right, so you put it in there and you crush it. That's tempering. Good chocolate must have a shiny surface and make a resounding snap when broken. To achieve this, it must be tempered.
There's a lot, eh?
Yeah, there's the Whitakers.
Yep.
Australian chocolate advertising. David, the replica of Michelangelo's famous statue, cast in 100% milk chocolate. That's 100% milk chocolate.
Oh, wow.
Now these are all chocolates in here, as you can see. And I think it depicts a picture if you stand back.
Oh, yeah. Look at it. Look at the Volkswagen.
And then, oh, there's a helicopter.
Oh, wow.
There it goes. There's the helicopter going up.
The stuff that we saw.
Oh, that's not good. We're not good memory people.
No, we're not. What is often added to chocolate? Oh, it's
Red?
Lichen. Red.
Lucky you got that right.
I know, I looked at it.
Oh, you got a winner.
I'm the winner.
Oh, at least one of us won. You can't go wrong. One's going to win. Animate scene.
Wow.
Rotate scene. Oh.
Ooh, there's another one behind it. The macadamias and the
Flavour centre. All of these ingredients go to make up Penny's range of fine chocolate.
Ooh, that's coffee. Smell that.
That was about there. Let's go there this time. Oh, I hit the edge. I hit the edge. Nah. They're the closest I got to anything.
Oh!
You got one. Kirsten got one, but you need 3 balls.
I still got one
Oh no,
ball.
you get 1 chocolate ball.
I get a ball.
So you hit that.
I got it.
I can't get anything here.
I got a ball.
You got a ball. Keep the wooden one for a souvenir. Tell them to keep the chocolate. It's so damn hard to get. You want to keep that wooden ball forever.
Melted chocolate.
Yeah.
Actual chocolate.
Now,
Oh, smell that chocolate.
yeah,
Oh.
it's going to make me eat my chocolate bar.
Giving me a dark chocolate, look.
We just opened our chocolate bar for enough of them.
Yeah. You want?
I don't really want the milk. Oh, this milk, white. Oh, I want dark. Of course. Okay, and then he picks it up. Drops it in the milk. I think on the sign, it's in Chinese writing says 1 only each.
No, it says only three bucket ones.
It said this sign is only for when it's real busy. Yeah. And then that's common sense, right? You're not going to sit there and get 10 of them.
It's common sense anymore.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that to come back into trend.
Yeah, that's right. Absolutely.
It might be a while.
Yeah, agreed.
I'm going to get a couple extra because I didn't get any balls. Those games were too hard for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We're in chocolate fine down now.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. That was
Oh, that's why it's special.
all sitting up there. 400 kilos of chocolate every 3 minutes. Okay, that's what it is.
Yeah, because we're covering the white bit.
Oh, you can go in there and get a photo, can you?
Yeah, you have to be quick.
No.
Oh, really?
Push the button and then sit out really quick.
Are we looking?
I don't really can I
There it is. It was supposed to be a love art, but it didn't really work. You do better ones. See, here you go. He says practice. You got to practice with it at the start. Here's Kirsten's one. What was that meant to be?
Is it a bit of heart?
I suppose I'd give yours a little bit better than mine, I guess. There it goes. Oh, look at that.
There you go.
I'll take that.
You one.
There it is. Look at that. I'll eat that. So that's the end of the tour. We're about to go into the shop now. Kirsten's got to obviously swap her wooden ball for something. Might get a coffee, actually. The bar was nice, if I can get that. No, you have it. You have it. You earned it.
Truffle.
I'll try one, yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
That truffle. It's got a bit, oh, it's got a white
What truffle?
filling inside it. Yep. Very nice. nice. This is the Grand Prix track. So let's get a coffee from here and just have a quick look. We're not that into racing. So yeah, is that the actual circuit? And they've done a thing of it around the thing? I'm not sure. I don't know the shape. Peterborough, yep. So we're going to go get a coffee, and that is the track there. Looks like the cafe's closed. All the chairs are up. So I think we'll get a coffee from somewhere else. Hollywood actor Keanu Reeves hires California-based company to create custom bikes. Never knew he was into doing that sort of thing, but there you go. All right, well, that's it in here. It's not a big place, but all right.